Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome to House Beauty, the best gift for children. So it costed me around $2.5, and in which they have given two houses, cupboard, dressing, and some chest, some more cupboards, some chest, some phone, some jhula means swing. So these are all given in this, and by which your child can play. And this is over here, it's written made in China. This is a product of China, and do not give to a child under 3 years of age. They could choke it. They have clearly mentioned it. That is very nice that they are mentioning all these warning signals which we need to follow while giving the toys to our children. Backside, it's nothing. So let's not waste much time and try to open this one. So here it comes. So this is the house, the beautiful house, and the another house I'm trying to make because it got open. Yeah, so this is the another house, and with which you can place all these things. This is a bed and cupboard and dressing, and this I believe a cell phone, this phone stand or something for sitting. I don't know exactly. Sofa you could call. Then this is again a dressing, and this is a chest of drawer, dressing and swing. So it's like this, so your child could play with all these things which you can see over here. So friends, this is what it comes in this pack, and I already told you the price. It's very cheap, reasonable, and good for your kids to play. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends, bye bye, take care, love you all.